I've been using KitchenAid appliances in my kitchen for years, from busy holiday prep to simple weeknight dinners, and they've always felt solid and dependable. I trust KitchenAid because the design is simple, the build feels strong, and it fits so well into everyday American home cooking. Finding the best KitchenAid food processor can feel hard when every model looks the same online. The best KitchenAid food processor for most home cooks is the one that fits your counter space, batch size, and the way you really cook each week. I've tested them for meal prep, pizza dough, and weeknight salsa, and I've learned what truly matters in a busy US kitchen. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Food Processor Attachment. The KitchenAid Stand Mixer Food Processor Attachment turns my stand mixer into a versatile prep machine. I love the ExactSlice lever, which makes switching from thick to thin slices effortless. The wide feed tube fits larger vegetables, so I spend less time prepping before dicing or shredding. It comes with a slicing disc, shredding disc, julienne disc, and a dicing kit, all stored neatly in the included case. I use it for carrots, potatoes, cheese, and even apples for snacks. The attachment is easy to connect and feels sturdy when running through my KitchenAid stand mixer. For quick weeknight meals or large family prep, it saves time and keeps results consistent. While it doesn't replace a full food processor for huge batches, it's perfect for home cooks in US kitchens who want a reliable, multitasking attachment for everyday chopping and slicing. Number 4. KitchenAid 11-Cup ExactSlice Food Processor. The KitchenAid 11-Cup ExactSlice Food Processor is a versatile tool for any home cook. I love the ExactSlice lever, which lets me adjust thickness from thick to thin in one smooth slide. The ultra-wide feed tube makes it easy to add whole tomatoes, cucumbers, or potatoes without extra chopping. The 11-cup bowl is perfect for meal prep, family dinners, or holiday cooking in a busy US kitchen. It chops, shreds, kneads, and purees with steady power, making weeknight salsa or pizza dough effortless. The 3-cup bowl is handy for small tasks. Optimized speeds give control for all textures. The 270-watt motor handles most foods well, though very dense doughs take more effort. The external adjustable slicing disc keeps prep clean and precise. For US home kitchens, it balances size, power, and smart design, making it a reliable choice for everyday cooking. Number 3. KitchenAid 9-Cup ExactSlice Food Processor. The KitchenAid 9-Cup ExactSlice Food Processor is a smart pick if you want solid performance at a lower price. I like that it still gives you the ExactSlice disc for easy thickness control. The wide feed tube fits whole veggies, which saves time on busy weeknights. The 9-cup size works well for small families or couples. It handles salsa, cheese, and veggie prep with ease. The 3 speeds, low, high, and pulse, give good control for texture. I also feel safe using the built-in safety lock. Since this is a renewed model, you may see light cosmetic wear. The 3.8 rating shows mixed feedback, so it may not feel like brand new to everyone. Still, for US home cooks who want value and useful features, it offers strong everyday performance without the higher price tag. Number 2. KitchenAid 3.5-Cup Food Chopper. The KitchenAid 3.5-cup food chopper is the one I grab for quick, small jobs during the week. If you want the best KitchenAid food chopper, this size makes daily prep feel simple and stress-free. The drizzle basin helps me add oil while blending, which is great for smooth dressings and sauces. The locking blade stays secure so I can pour salsa or hummus without spills. The 3.5-cup bowl works well for garlic, herbs, nuts, and fresh pico de gallo. I like the 2 speeds and pulse. It gives me control over texture. The compact design fits small US kitchens and dorm spaces with ease. Cord storage keeps the counter neat. It is not built for large meal prep, and the 240-watt motor is best for soft foods. Still, for fast chopping, it feels reliable and easy to use. Number 1. KitchenAid 13-Cup Food Processor. The KitchenAid 13-cup food processor truly feels like the best KitchenAid food processor for most home kitchens. I use it for salsa, pie crust, and pizza dough, and it stays smooth and steady every time. The ExactSlice lever gives me clean, even cuts from thick to thin in seconds. The in-bowl caddy keeps all blades stored inside, which saves space and cuts clutter. The 13-cup bowl is perfect for big family dinners, meal prep, or holiday cooking in a busy U.S. kitchen. It chops, shreds, slices, and kneads with ease. And yes, while it is not a stand mixer, it performs like a best KitchenAid mixer when handling soft dough. The 500-watt motor feels balanced and reliable for daily use. If you want power, space, and smart design in one machine, this one stands at the top. Final verdict. After testing several models, I personally recommend the KitchenAid 13-cup food processor as the best overall product. Its 13-cup capacity, ExactSlice lever, and in-bowl storage make meal prep effortless, whether you're making pizza dough, fresh salsa, or chopping for family dinners. It balances power, size, and versatility perfectly for everyday cooking. For those on a budget or looking for a compact option, the KitchenAid 3.5-cup food chopper is a great choice. Its small footprint, quick chopping, and drizzle basin make it ideal for small kitchens or quick prep tasks without sacrificing performance. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the KitchenAid food processor that fits your cooking style and needs best. You'll have a reliable tool that truly makes everyday meal prep easier and more enjoyable.